My name is Elamparethi. I am studying for Dhanalakshmi Srinivasa Engineering College, Tiruchirappalli. I am native from Pudukkottai. I will study for in Dhanalakshmi College in Tiruchirappalli. QSpiders and Jspiders I will come with for my college 2023 incubation selection. I will conduct for three levels testing for incubation selection. I will select for I will done for three testing completely. I will select for this my student. I will come for February 6, 2023 join for Jspiders brand in Chromepet. Joining for full stack Java developer. February 2 last 6 months I will study for full Java for Nandi sir guidance. Nandi sir guidance is very beautiful and understand for coding knowledge. I will select for last 1 month for mobile service and private limited in Chennai. I will attend for 6 month internship and face work performance and selection. Thank you for QSpiders and Jspiders team. Select for incubation team and whole test in the groups.